Friends, this is a book called Rita,
Exam prep.
right? And the 10th edition is aligned to the 6th edition. They have another release called the, oh shit, what I should not touch inside, right? So are you able to see the book?
Yeah.
So here is what I want to just give you a flavor. So everything that we discuss in the class, like Iti was saying, right, Sam, if we keep talking theory, in the real exam, they will ask questions. What will I do then? And I know you talk very well, but I cannot remember what you talked. What are the questions that they're going to ask and how I'm going to answer that?
Is this book easily accessible or we have to buy it?
Good question. Answer is simple. This is my copy, right? But
Mhm.
you don't have to buy it. You can download it. I didn't tell you that. Make sense?
Yeah.
Did it help?
I mean, it's there on, I mean, freely available. I mean, or we have to download it from
My
your
friend will
website.
tell you he understood. That's why he's laughing.
I'll try to see.
Okay, acha. Got it.
Just Google it. I mean, it should be able to.
No. Got it.
See, I have two roles, a trainer and a businessman. A trainer wants to help and mentor. A businessman is liable for outcomes. He can be sued in any court of law, especially in America. Anytime I can be sued. So many people have sued me, even though I'm such a nice guy. Can you imagine? So friends, this is the questions from the first topic. Right? Just look at the question number 19. Tell me what's your answer.
See.
Without looking at the options, can I just answer in my own words?
No, the real exam, that is the whole challenge.
Is to,
The real exam is a radio button, right? Plus some more.
yeah.
But just the next question I'll ask you is a simple one, so don't worry about it.
My
A
answer
portfolio
is
is
C.
group of projects. No, a project is a group of programs, and a portfolio is a group of projects and programs.
How about my friend? So Iti said C. What do you say, my friend?
Me?
Huh?
You asked me, Dr. Sam?
Yeah.
Oh, see.
C. Okay. Now, Monica, what is your answer?
C.
So you all understood it's right? It's a temporary individual. We start and end. Program is a collection of projects, and portfolio is a collection of projects or programs.
Yeah.
A is wrong because non-project work is not a part of the program.
Yeah.
Right? B is wrong because two or more unrelated projects. If the projects are not related, it is not a part of the program.
Okay.
Let's give you a simple
So
question.
it's like portfolio is a bigger, and then comes program, and then in that comes projects,
Very
like
good.
a hierarchy.
Question number 18.
The project manager has to A.
I think PMO C.
Yeah, even I think it is PMO because he's talking about which
Different
Company.
projects.
which project he
Yeah.
should.
And also talking about priorities between projects, right? So we said PMO is the place where all the projects come together and then you decide even no go or go decision. Remember, should we go for this or not? Or kill the project because that project is not giving any value. So seems like PMO is the answer. We'll do two more questions and then we're done. And let's see. Question number 1. This is a typical PMP question.
A project team reports to many managers.
Yeah. So
1 minute.
A. Mhm.
also, any clue if this is an open book exam or
No, it's
how is
not.
it? It's not? Okay.
I think Karun can say that.
No,
if
no,
they
no.
don't
It's
know.
not.
It's not.
Oh, you
Okay.
didn't take the exam, you just did the course.
Huh? No, I took it. I took the exam.
Exam.
It seems like 4 hours is too much, but I mean, like everyone, you feel that the 4 hours is not enough.
I think the questions are so big and at times you just
Lengthy.
get boggled up, I think.
It's a test of your English knowledge, meaning like
Quite
somebody
possible.
can complicate you in writing English language, and you need to.
I'm sure. Like the fourth option will not always have a home.
I know.
It's the kind of language they're using. So it made me think whether they're cynical or, I mean, I don't know. So I think CSM, the Scrum Alliance, is an open book exam. Similarly, Lean Six Sigma is also an open book exam. So I thought maybe PMP is also an open book.
I don't think PMP is an open. I've never heard from anyone.
It doesn't even help actually. There won't be any straightforward question. It's about the math. Math, you can bag all the questions. Like I think around 10 questions will be based on math.
Okay.
That will be easy to handle it. And Dr. Sam will say, because usually they give us a paper and we just scribble down all the math formulas before the exam starts.
Okay.
Friends, what's the answer? Question 1.
A.
A.
Okay, Mr.
I
Gentleman.
I was thinking that it was reports to the functional manager.
Really? I was thinking in a project kind of structure, you don't have many managers, right? It is more project based. In a functional setup, you report to the functional manager. So it is not a